Alright, thanks for tuning in again, drivers. And if you've made it this far, this is part 3 where we're going to actually pull the engine out with the tranny, all that together. So keep watching. Let's get her out. Alright, so as you can see there in that video, I was having trouble getting it to come out. And I was like, what in the world is it hanging on? And come to find out, I forgot to disconnect the fuel lines. So it's a good thing I didn't snap them off, because that would be expensive. So yeah, 2 fuel lines left, and I think it will come forward after that, I hope. finally got old Bertha out here, and man was it a beat down doing it by yourself, and then trying to get it up high enough to clear all that to get it out. Yeah, that was super fun. So we got it out finally, and I gotta get some cat litter because we had oil leaking everywhere. I think I ended up piercing the oil filter as I was coming out on the damn engine mount. So the other bad thing is about these engine mounts is they have the nuts inside that tubular frame that you can't access. So, and I got to change the mounts out to the 350. So that's going to be fun. So there's going to be a lot more to do before we start putting this one in there. Of course, I'm going to degrease it all, paint it all up. I'm going to change out all the steering control mechanisms since it's all exposed right there, and I've already got it ordered in here, so we're going to change out all those control arms and all that stuff and see if anything else is, because a lot of it's pretty wore out, looks all original. And fix anything else that I can. Try to clean up the brake stuff, hide some of that stuff, and just kind of doll it up so it'll be more like a show engine bay instead of just a regular old engine bay. So hopefully y'all like this video and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time, and this will be part 3 of the engine removal. Part 4 will start the prepping, cleaning, and all that fun stuff that nobody wants to watch. So anyway, have a good night. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.